Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download image on AliExpress. Keep watching the video till the end. To download image on AliExpress, firstly open up your AliExpress application. The home page of AliExpress application will appear on the screen. From the displayed images, tap on item or product you want to download. Open the image and tap on file icon at the top right corner of the screen. It will download your image in no time. This is how you can download image on AliExpress application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.